Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've been super active on Instagram and Snapchat, and in those activities I have been posting a lot of skincare updates. I know I recently posted a skincare favorites video where I shared a lot of like products, like creams and masks and stuff that I use, and a lot of that is still the same. So if you want to know about like the creams and stuff, go ahead and click that video down below. But if you want to know these two crazy tools that have changed my life, then just keep watching. I just want to tell you guys that in July last year I was eating like crap, I was living like crap, I wasn't sleeping well, I wasn't drinking enough water, and of course I was under a lot of stress, and a lot of those things did trigger like really bad breakouts, but I did find solutions to those problems. The number one thing that I did was I went straight to a good esthetician and I got a really good facial. They did like a peel. I went through 2 peels and they really got all of that gunk out, and it gave me a kickstart on fixing my skin. So I just want to let you guys know I have not gotten a facial or seen the esthetician or anything since probably like September. So this is just me based on the products that I'm using now. So I'll just go ahead and tell you my secret. So if you've been keeping up with my YouTube channel, you know that I'm obsessed with the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa System, and they recently came out with their new Glow Spin system. So it's a lot like the Ultimate Skin Spa system, but the Glow Spin system is a little bit more new and improved. They just put like a little bit of a tweak to it. So these brush heads are a little bit more shallow and they're a little bit more firm, which really helps with the exfoliation process. There was nothing wrong with the Ultimate Skin Spa, but if you don't have one of these yet, then I recommend just getting your hands on the Glow Spin because there's just minor improvements on the product. So the brush head that I love the most is this silicone one, and I'm obsessed with it. I use it like twice a day. I know I'm not supposed to, but I use it all the time because I love the way it makes my skin feel. I just feel so fresh and clean and exfoliated, and this thing really like gets in there and cleans your pores out. So this is the silicone brush head. It's just like a nice, I don't know how to describe this thing. It's like really gentle on your skin. The way that this works, it's all waterproof, obviously. I'll just go ahead and wet my face, put on my cleanser, and then I just turn this thing on like that. And I'll just go ahead and smooth this over my face, and it will make a nice lather and just clean your pores out and make you feel super refreshed. So these things are super pricey. I know like Clarisonic and a lot of different brands have these products. They're super expensive, but it's worth the investment. And luckily for you guys, I do have a discount code down below. So if you click the link down below, you will get $100 off of this Glow Spin kit, which brings the price down to like 50 bucks. And my other skincare secret is the Michael Todd Beauty Sonic Eraser Pro. So this is like a really strange device, and I was really scared to use it at first because of the way that it works. So once it touches your skin, it will actually start pulsing like this, and it heats up. You don't feel the heat, it just feels like a nice like soft vibration, but it does heat up to the point where it will open up your pores and push your skincare products to the point where it needs to go. So a lot of skincare products are super expensive, and you put them on your face and it just sits there and it doesn't really get to the layer of your skin that it needs to go to like see a significant improvement. So luckily with this tool, you literally put on your moisturizer or whatever you want to use, and then you're going to rub this over your face. So you can use tapping motions if you want to be more gentle on your skin, and this will actually push the product deep into your skin. So I use this with my serums, I use this with my moisturizers, and I actually even use this on top of like sheet masks, and I see like significant improvement. Like you'll wake up the next day just glowing. So I get my best results by using a combination of the two, and I've really seen a huge difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my before and after picture here one more time so you can see how much my skin has improved thanks to these products. And if you want to see a list of the actual like creams and stuff that I'm using, I'll go ahead and link that down below because most of it is still the same. One thing that did change though is that instead of the Pond's cold cream, which is still amazing, I've been loving the Caudalie Micellar water, which is just like this cleansing water, and it's super gentle on your skin. It's not greasy, you just wipe it and it gets all the makeup off. So I think that's about it. That's all that's changed in my skincare. I'm going to go ahead and link the 2 products that I mentioned down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I am doing a huge giveaway right now, and I'll go ahead and link that down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.